What's up guys, Mitchell Watts, Town & Country TV, and today is going to be a fun video because we are going to be adding a 650 horsepower supercharger to a new 2018 model F150. In fact, Dan from Huntsville actually reached out to us after seeing a couple of our videos and he wanted to purchase this vehicle from us, so we did. And then he purchased the supercharger, and now we're going to go ahead and install that. But before we install it, we're going to actually unbox the supercharger to show you every single component that comes in this kit because it's pretty darn extensive. And then after we get through installing the supercharger, we're going to even drive this thing over to Southern Comfort Performance, where we're going to slap this thing on the dyno and see exactly how much horsepower it's making after the fact. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Now we've broken into our shop after hours. That's the reason there's nobody here right now. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna tear out all of the different pieces of this supercharger. We're gonna lay it out on the floor so you can see every single component that is included with this supercharger. So let's get started. Hey, before we go any further in this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and then follow the link down in the description so you can actually learn how to win a GoPro Hero 7, which is what this entire video is made off of, or almost the entire video is made off of, a GoPro. So if you want to win one of those, follow the link in the description right after you subscribe. And also, we're also giving away an iPhone XR on that same giveaway. So make sure you register with the link down in the description right after you subscribe. All right, let's get back to the video. The supercharger's on, the cleanup is done, this thing is just about ready for delivery. Before we do that, we're gonna do two different things. We're gonna take the unassuming salesperson that helped us, we're gonna actually take him for a test drive in the vehicle. He's a great dude, but he's never been in a supercharged F-150 before, so we're gonna take him for a spin and kind of get a reaction out of him there. And after we get done with that, tomorrow actually, we're going to take this thing all the way to Southern Comfort Performance and do a full-blown dyno run to see exactly how much power this thing is making at the tire. So without further ado, before we get into all that, let's just do a quick walk around on the truck so you can see what's going on with this ride. All right, and there she is, the 2018 Ford F-150. This one is an XLT chassis, but once again, huge thanks to Mr. Dan for actually purchasing this vehicle from us and also doing this supercharger. So we're really excited to show it to you. This is a, as I said, an 18 model. It's based on an XLT 3028 equipment group, and for that reason, you can see this one also has the Sport Appearance package, which comes with the color keyed front bumpers. Also comes with, oh yeah, you might have noticed that. They're actually an OEM headlamp that they've actually replaced here in-house as well to kind of get a nice little look to it. But yeah, you can see it's got the magnetic gray front grille because of that sport package. It's got a lot of amenities that we're going to show you here in just a second. But you got the 20-inch 6-spoke painted aluminum wheels that come included on that sport package. It's obviously a little extra of an upcharge, but really a good looking truck all the way around. Let's take a look at this supercharger. And there she is, a 5.0 V8 with a Roush 2650 supercharger. And as you can tell, this one is made for 650 horsepower, and you can see it's made for a lot of torque as well. One of the things that I love about this system, or this setup, is this air filter. As you can see, it's got the open air elements air filter, but you can see it is still housed inside of a box to make sure that you're getting cold air right there from the factory, and that's where the air actually comes into the engine. But it's really nice that they actually made this clear and see-through so you can actually see what's going on with that air filter. Just absolutely amazing. So not a whole lot to look at, and once again, the main thing you probably want to see is what does this thing drive like. And so let's put an unassuming passenger, Mr. J, our salesperson. All right, let's go ahead and jump in the car and let's take him for a spin. All right, so now I've rounded up our next victim. This is, I'm just not victim, I'm sorry. This is Jay. Once again, he was the salesperson that helped Dan from Huntsville with this truck purchase, and he also helped facilitate the entire supercharger install. Oh yeah, I need to be wearing my seatbelt. But yeah, you got your... So, all right, Jay, I got to ask you, have you ever ridden in a supercharged F-150 before?
I have never ridden in a supercharged F-150 before.
Okay, so I guess I mean, it's got a decent power. Like, it's okay. It's just nothing that's like, wow. You know what I'm saying? It's
Are you telling me the truth right now?
Don't call me a liar on our YouTube channel.
Sorry. Even rocket ships.
All right,
need
so
to,
there you go.
save
Feels
gas.
good, doesn't it?
Feels great. Smooth.
I didn't even hit the gas.
I know.
I didn't even hit the gas. Oh my goodness. Let's go over here to our proving grounds, aka this little parking lot.
This is not going to make me throw up, is it?
It shouldn't. No, it shouldn't. Okay, so without further ado, I don't know that we're going to go 60 miles an hour, but it will be a good opportunity just for a quick acceleration. All right, you ready?
I'm ready. Oh.
Not bad for...
That is awesome.
Oh, I forgot to put it in sport mode. Dang it.
Are we going to run again?
Yeah, we need to do that again because that wasn't, it could have gone a lot faster than that.
Take two.
Dang. Wow. All right, so take two. Let's go ahead and give it a little acceleration run.
I hit my head twice.
You feel that thing shift, can't you?
Wow, that takes off.
So is that about what
God.
is that what you think? You think Dan's going to be happy with the Supercharger?
Just a little bit. I think he will.
Hey, and for everybody in the video, by the way, we had prior clearance to do this in his truck. So
That's
just
right.
saying, no burnouts, no
He
burnouts.
said it was okay. As long as we didn't kill anybody.
Awesome. Well, hey, Jay, I appreciate you letting us,
That was awesome.
Take you for a quick spin. Let's take you back to the dealership because I know you got another customer. Hey, guys, if you want more information about an F-150 Supercharger, even a Mustang Supercharger, this guy, he is an expert. I've got the phone number right there on the screen. Feel free to give him a call if you have any questions about purchasing a new F-150 or a Mustang with the Supercharger on it. All right, so with that being said, let's go ahead and jump on over to Southern Comfort Performance and let's see what this thing makes on the dyno.
Yes.
And there you have it. That is our video on the 2018 Ford F-150 with the Supercharger added. If you like videos like this and you've enjoyed, kind of a customer build on this particular F-150, make sure to smash that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button so we know that you actually like this style of a video, and we'll make sure that we produce more of this content. Thank you so much for watching this video. And as I mentioned earlier in the video, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and follow the link down in the description so that way you automatically get entered to win the GoPro Hero 7 and also the iPhone XR that we're giving away. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a great day.
Man, it's so crazy how fast it's like there's a moment where you think it's over and then it pops you again.
This is a little double whammy. Pop, pop.
That is awesome.